Hi guys, myself, Siddharth, and I welcome you to my channel.
Hello, myself Jessica. Today we are going to discuss about the word alter.
So, without any further delay, let's get started.
Meaning of the word alter in English means change in character or composition, typically in a comparatively small but significant way.
Meaning of the word alter in Hindi means
बदलना या फिर परिवर्तन.
So guys, let's understand this word by framing some sentences. 1. Elliot was persuaded to alter the passage. 2. Elena plans to alter the dining hall.
Thank you Jessica for explaining me. Guys, I hope you have also understood the meaning of alter in Hindi as well as in English language.
This is for today, and we will see you in the next video. Till then stay tuned, and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.